Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Logitech UE AIR speaker, Bluetooth wireless speaker, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this, this speaker not connecting, or if it keeps disconnecting, if it's not pairing, stuff like that, a hard reset will fix a lot of these issues. The second reason is if for whatever reason you just want to get this speaker back to the way it was when it came out of the box, so you can set it up like a new speaker, we can go ahead and do that. It's really easy to do. We're going to start by turning it on with the power button on top of it, and then we're going to find that power button, the mute button, and the connect button, and we're going to press and hold those three buttons simultaneously for several seconds. And that will initiate a factory reset, at which point we can let go of the buttons, and then the speaker will turn off and it will turn back on, and the top and front LEDs will blink green. This can take up to a whole minute before this happens, and at which point you can just go ahead and set this up like you're setting up a brand new speaker.